This is not just another staycation near Mumbai. This is one place where luxury, kids, food, views, and activities actually come together without parents feeling exhausted. We stayed at Radisson Blue Culture, and honestly, this is one of the most family friendly luxury resorts I've experienced till now. From riverside balconies, massive buffets with live singing, kids' play zones, luxury tents, villas, high tea with activities, and yes, we are here with kids, so you're getting the real picture. So, if you're looking for a staycation, a birthday getaway, or just need a break from the city life, watch this till the end because I'll tell you who this place is perfect for and who should skip it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akanksha and you're watching my channel Absolutely AK. So as a mom of two and a lover of travel, I thought why not go for a staycation to this lovely resort which is very close to Mumbai and also close from Pune, and that is Radisson Blue Karjat. Now we went there for 2 days and 2 nights and it was so much fun that obviously I had to make this into a video. So I have covered all the details in today's video, so let me take you there. The first thing you feel when you enter Radisson Blue Karjat is space and calm. It's spread across a huge area surrounded by greenery, with the Ulas River flowing alongside and Sahyadri Mountains in the background. The check-in experience was smooth, welcoming, and not rushed, which honestly matters a lot when you're traveling with kids. Now there are two main dining options here. Palms, where you can order a la carte, perfect for quick meals or if you don't want buffet food. And then there is Panorama, the buffet restaurant, where most of the magic happens. Massive spreads, Indian and international options, live counters, desserts, and what I loved the most was the live singing during dinner, which creates such a relaxed and vacation vibe. One of my favorite parts of the stay was the high tea experience conducted in the ballroom, especially during wedding weekends. It's not just about the tea and snacks. They've added interactive activities like bangle making, pottery, which keeps kids engaged while parents actually get to sit and relax. And just when you think that's it, there's a roaming magician who goes around entertaining kids and families. Small touches like these make a huge difference when you're traveling with children. So now that we are a family of four, I mean, of course, one room doesn't suffice for all of us, and that's the reason why we chose the one bedroom suite. A one bedroom suite generally comes with like an attached living area and a bedroom, a master bedroom with the bathroom. But in Radisson Blue Karjat, it's also attached with a balcony, and this balcony has some gorgeous views. It's basically overlooking the Ulas River and the Sahyadri Mountains, and I cannot tell you how much fun it is. Whether you just want to catch up on some alone time with your partner, or you want to let the kids play free. I think having a balcony around is so much of a privilege, and that's the reason why we chose this. Also, because we were traveling with our nanny, we took our nanny since we were just 2 hours away from Mumbai. We took our nanny as well. There's a separate space for her to just relax and sleep, and also there is another powder bathroom. So these facilities kind of added to our vacation, and it made it seamless and flawless. Now, of course, since we were traveling and there were so many of us in one room, I couldn't really get the best views of the room, but I'm going to try and somehow show you how the room looks like. So let's go and see. The living room was grand with tea and coffee supplies, a comfortable sofa, dining table, a common washroom, and direct access to the balcony. And this balcony, honestly, The view is unreal. Ullas River on one side and Sayadri Mountains on the other. And your morning tea definitely here hits different. Going into the bedroom, it opens into a balcony, has a king size bed, a spacious bathroom with a separate bathing area and a bathtub. Alright, so with the master bedroom comes this grand, beautiful bathtub attached bathroom. And even though me and Sachin did not get enough time to spend in the bathtub, we definitely let kids do the enjoying. The pool area is spacious and family friendly. Plenty of space, great views, and kids can safely enjoy while parents can relax. Also, fun fact, this pool is an Olympic sized pool. Can you believe it? If you're traveling with kids, this play area is a big win. There's a ball pool and slides for younger kids, bowling for adults, arcade games for all ages, and even a trampoline. So, honestly, everyone from toddlers to grown ups have something to do here. Another highlight that I would like to bring to your notice about this property is that they also have a small kid play area room. So basically for toddlers, less than 4 years old, or babies who are like, just about to start walking or can sit independently, there's also a toddler's den kind of a playroom, and there's supervised, it is under supervision. So there is staff and there are people to look after your kids in case you want to, just go grab a coffee or spend some time with your partner while you want to leave your kids in that supervised area. And there's soft toys, and it's a soft play area for the kids. So that facility is also there. I of course couldn't get a lot of pictures or anything related to that. I couldn't shoot anything related to that, but I thought it is a point that should be mentioned when we're talking about the entire review of Radisson Blu Karjat. Next, Radisson Blu Karjat also has presidential tents and villas, which are located in a slightly more private zone. This area has a separate reception, giving a more exclusive resort within resort feel. There's also an outdoor playground with swings and slides, perfect for kids to bond parental. Okay, so if you're a family with kids, or you're traveling with your parents, or you're looking at a luxury combined with activities, or you're looking at birthday celebrations, anniversary celebrations, large family, joint family celebrations, or you're looking at even weddings for that matter, I think this property serves it all. And that's the reason why I have attached a link in the description box for you to go and grab your suite or bedroom or villa deal right away. At the same time, if you're someone who's looking into an itinerary, a customized itinerary with kids for 2 days, 2 nights, then I have also attached my own kid-friendly, itinerary in the description box, and you can please view it. I would love it if you view it, and I would love to see your comments in the description box as to whether it helped you or not. Now, if you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also let me know which is the kind of room that you would pick. Would it be a bedroom? Would it be a suite? Or would it be a villa? So guys, this is it for this video, and I shall be back very soon with another video, maybe another travel plan. And that's it for now. See you again. Bye-bye.